Nikola Tesla left us a profound secret, a beacon of unmatched manifestation power in the cosmos. Get ready for a journey into one of the universe's most potent tools for manifestation. Tesla himself hailed this technique as the master key to the cosmos. Consider this. Have you ever dreamt of unraveling the universe's mysteries and shaping the life you desire? The answer lies in the 369 method. But before we dive into it, let's take a moment to honor the extraordinary life of Nikola Tesla. Born on July 10, 1856, in what is now Croatia, Tesla was an exceptional inventor and electrical engineer whose innovations have profoundly impacted science and technology. He illuminated the world with his pioneering work on alternating current, the induction motor, and the Tesla coil, laying the groundwork for future discoveries in X-rays, neon lighting, remote control technology, radio, and beyond. Tesla's legacy continues to shape our world today. Now, let's explore the enigma of vortex math. This theory, proposed by visionary scientists in quantum physics, suggests a unique connection between the numbers 3, 6, and 9 and the fabric of the universe, bridging the third and fourth dimensions. In the atomic realm, these frequencies manifest as vibrations, with observations revealing their alignment with the divine 369 code. This observation resonates with the concept of a vector field spanning dimensions. Furthermore, the relationship between 3, 6, and 9 and time adds another layer of fascination, echoing numerical patterns in our daily experiences. Tesla's fascination with the triad of energy, frequency, and vibration stemmed from his belief in their fundamental role in the universe. He famously said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." By mastering and harnessing these elements, we unlock the boundless potential of the cosmos. Now, onto the method itself. First, identify 3 specific statements representing what you wish to manifest in your life, whether financial goals, personal aspirations, or health objectives. Write these down clearly. Next, repeat these affirmations 6 times daily, immersing yourself fully in their meaning and resonance. Despite not immediately apparent, these affirmations already exist within the quantum realm, and by vocalizing them and spending 9 seconds on each, you tap into their inherent energy. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Let's consider an example. Suppose your goal is financial prosperity, and your affirmation is, "I am excited and thankful for the unexpected financial windfall of $10,000. Dedicate 9 seconds to feel the reality of this affirmation, truly immersing yourself in the joy and anticipation of receiving it. Repeat this practice for each affirmation, engaging fully with their energy. For simplicity, organize this activity into 9-day cycles, placing your affirmations where you'll see them regularly. Commit to this 9-second practice diligently for 9 consecutive days and witness the transformation that unfolds. This method is grounded in scientific principles, tapping into the vibrational frequency of your desires within the quantum field. Understand that this technique goes beyond mere positive thinking. It involves a conscious effort to align your thoughts, feelings, and vibrational energy with your aspirations, transforming you into a proactive creator of the life you desire. Consider crafting potent affirmations and committing to this intentional creation process. I'm excited and thrilled to effortlessly welcome over $10,000 into my life. With this affirmation, you set a clear target for your financial abundance. Let's now explore how to apply the 369 method to achieve this financial goal. First, choose 3 affirmations that align with your aim of financial prosperity. Alongside the previous affirmation, consider adding statements like, "I am deserving of endless financial abundance. I am open and receptive to opportunities that lead to significant wealth," and I am in perfect harmony with the frequency of prosperity and affluence. These affirmations reinforce your sense of worthiness, readiness, and alignment with wealth, enhancing your manifestation abilities. Next, engage with your affirmations 6 times a day, spending 9 seconds on each. Find a peaceful space where you can deeply connect with this practice. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus on the first affirmation. Affirm it with conviction, embodying feelings of gratitude and joy, as if the wealth has already materialized. Visualize yourself surrounded by abundance and opportunities for financial growth. Repeat this process for each affirmation, dedicating 9 seconds to fully immerse yourself in the essence of each statement. To seamlessly incorporate this practice into your daily routine, place your affirmations where you'll encounter them frequently, such as on your bathroom mirror, set reminders on your phone, or carry them with you in your purse or wallet. Consistently revisit your affirmations throughout the day for maximum impact. Commit to this practice for 9 consecutive days, remaining attentive to signs, opportunities, and synchronicities that arise. Trust in the universe's ability to align your vibrational energy with the financial abundance you seek. Throughout this journey, maintain a hopeful attitude, releasing any doubts or self-imposed limitations. Actively pursue your financial goals, envisioning yourself already immersed in the wealth you desire. Let this vision inspire your actions as you persist in your practices. As you continue, you may notice shifts in your financial circumstances, whether through new opportunities, unexpected gains, or pathways to increased earnings. Celebrate each step forward and remain open to the abundance flowing into your life. Manifestation is a collaborative process between your intentions and the universe's response. By aligning your energy, frequency, and vibration with your vision of wealth, you signal your readiness to receive the means and opportunities to achieve your desires. Just as Nikola Tesla emphasized the profound importance of energy, frequency, and vibration, now it's your turn to harness these principles and transform your dreams into reality. In conclusion, as we reflect on the remarkable legacy of Nikola Tesla and the profound insights he left us with, we're reminded of our own potential to tap into the boundless power of the universe. By embracing the principles of energy, frequency, and vibration, and by diligently practicing the 369 method, we can unlock the secrets of manifestation and shape the lives we desire. So, take this knowledge and apply it with intentionality and belief. Trust in the process, stay aligned with your goals, and remain open to the abundance that awaits you. Remember, you are the creator of your reality, and with dedication and perseverance, you can manifest the life of your dreams. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the heart of Tesla's teachings. May you continue to explore and harness the true power of the universe to create a life filled with prosperity, joy, and fulfillment. Stay inspired, stay curious, and never stop seeking the wonders of the cosmos.